Hi, my name is Mariana Natalie Iñiguez Torres, and this is my oral exam number 3. Well, my future plan is visit my mom in her birthday. My mom lives in Colima, and my sister and I live in Guadalajara. So for her birthday, we are going to visit her. She is 42, so this is going to be her 43 birthday, and is in December 10th. Well, um, my sister and I are going to visit my mom the weekend, and for her birthday, we going to decorate and plan her party. Um, we will buy a big cake because she loves cakes, and we going to give her a birthday present. And my dog Amy is going to be here, so I I gonna see it for in a long time. And after the private 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 party, um, we we are going to go for a restaurant because my mom loves the meat. So we will going to have a delicious dinner. Mm, Colima, it's very little and hot, but I want see my mom, so this doesn't matter. Mm, I think today is important for me because I don't see her in a long time. So I wanna stay in her birthday. Mm, and I would like she have a good time with all us. And yeah, it's a little celebration, but it's good, it's okay. And the important is my mom stay happy and feel good. And yeah, that's all. So much. Thank you.